Hello, 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 hello. I'd like to talk to this ritual murderer, this foul ritual murderer, actually ritual murderers, Shembe from South Africa and King Mswati III. Okay, Shembe, listen. Let me explain something to you that you don't understand. The country of Swaziland belongs to the people of Swaziland. The country of Swaziland belongs to the people of Swaziland, not King Mswati. King Mswati is not a free, standalone entity. He belongs to the people of Swaziland, along with the Queen Mother. So you cannot say you have not come to Swaziland to see the people of Swaziland. You've come to Swaziland to see the King and the Queen Mother. When you come see the Queen Mother and the King, you're essentially coming to see the people of Swaziland. Ungasitsheli ukuthi awugeze uzokhuluma namaSwati, uzobona inkosi nendlovukazi. Kusho wena, Masimbenje. Don't say that. Because what you're doing, you agree with King Mswati that the country belongs to him. It's his farmland. Everything in Swaziland belongs to him and everything in it. Okay? So I want you to understand that point of clarification. You cannot say when you come to Swaziland, you're not coming to Swazis. You're coming to Swazis. When you come to the King of Swaziland and the Queen Mother, we know what you're coming there to do. We know your filthy business, that you're coming there to murder our children, to so-called Qinisinkosi, to strengthen the king. So all these children that disappeared while you were in Swaziland were killed by you on behalf of the King of Swaziland. Okay, that's why you're saying you're not coming to Swaziland to see the people of Swaziland, because you're coming there to murder them, to murder their children and cause chaos in this country. We don't want you to ever come back to our country. Young Vashembe, asifuni ukukubona ever again in our lives. We don't want you coming back to Swaziland. Okay? We're going to do something to you next time you come to Swaziland. Wena Shembe, uzoganga la eSwazini, uzoganga. You're killing innocent children and you're hiding behind this fake religion. I've done a whole research on your religion and I know what you're about. Wena Shembe. So don't come back here and say you're coming to visit the king as if the king is a free agent, is a free entity, standalone entity. He belongs to the people of Swaziland as well as indlovukazi. Inkosi Mswati, inkosi yamaswati. Ngiyathi ukuthi akakwati lokho ngoba akakhuliswanga kahle. Akathi ukuthi kuba inkosi yini. Yini umsebenzi wakhe? Ukuthi abe inkosi la eveni lamaswati. Asisamfuni, sinaphuma phela. Ngoba uyaganga la kaNgwane. Uyangivashembe, ungabuyi la kaNgwane. Masimbenja mthakathi. Mthakathi. Masimbenja, ungabuyi la kaNgwane. Tobulala abantwana bemaswati. Uthi uqinisele inkosi le. Uyaganga. Wena Shembe. Sis man.
Futhi ngiyabonga nje ngoba ngiyibona ngathi ngiphilile namhlanje, ngiphiliswe into encane. Bathi abanye abantu la kulezi zinto ezibhalwayo uyaphi uShembe la simfuna angizile kubona bengize mina engonyameni na kumhlekazi na kuso sonke isizwe singithandayo. Okungilaphe kakhulu igwala lingeni ezulwini. Okungilaphe kakhulu ukuthi igwala lingeni ezulwini. Uyabona ubeka ngizwe lezi indaba lezi beyikhulunywa la. Ngabe ngathatha amasaka ami ngabaleka ngashiya amaNazaretha. Keba ngoba igwala lingeni ezulwini. Ngihlalele emthandazo ngoba umthandazo uyaphilisa. Umthandazo uyawaxosha futhi amadimoni. Okungilaphile ngilashwe ukuthi kubanjwe laba bantu akade bebulala izingane Kwabese nayo sisifakwa phakathi thiwa sibulala ingane loba kufika ethini. Yenzeka ke la emhlabeni khona isilwane esithi masifica imoto imile bese siphamisa umlenze siyayichamela kodwa masiyibona igijima seyijaka singena kuyifica ukhule ngonyama zohloka izitha mina engikwaziyo mangabe umuntu uthi ngwinyama yakho awukwazi ukukhuluma kabi ngaye kodwa into yenzayo uyahletshwa umuntu omkhulu akukhulunywa nje esidlangaleleni ngaye umpende inyama engayidlanga abantu abakhulu bayahlonishwa
back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, iyona ke le video ke esisumsindo kakhulu la ezinkundleni zokuxhumana ikakhulukazi ke kwabebandla ke lamaNazaretha njengoba ke le ndoda ke izwakala ke idicelela isithunzi somholi wabo phansi ke njengoba imthuka ke guys isho ukuthi angaphinde ke ezeswazini igama lo baba ke okhuluma la noma lensizwe okhuluma lana ke uMonti Nkosi oyileader ye Free Swazi movement okuyi movement ke elwa nokucindezela kwamalungelo abantu ke base Swaziland. So guys niyamuzwa ke naye ke ubaba ke uNyazi lweZulu uyiphendulela ke kule ndaba ngoba kusho ukuthi cha indaba ekhulunywa ngampela njengoba bethi abamfundi eSwazini basola ukuthi uhlangene ke nesilo esibusayo sakhona ke eSwazini ukuthi ke kulahleka ingane zabantu kwenziwa ama rituals ngeingane zabantu ukuze isilo sihlale esikhundleni la esihleli khona sibuse isikhathi eside sibe nemali sibe rich something like ukuthwala kanje. So ke nalunyazi leyiphendulela ukuthi cha lona alihlangene nayo yonke lento le eyenzeka eSwazini kodwa ke laba bathi nje lungaphinde luze lulubhade. Le baba guys nizomkhumbula ukuthi wakwa trenda futhi wakwa trenda it's not the first time simbona ekhuluma ke ngabaholi abakhulu bala eSouth Africa njengoba ke wake wakhuluma ke ngesilo ke uMsuzulu kaZolthini emdicele naye phansi kakhulu esho ukuthi ke uyisitabane esho nje ukuthi unjani njani zonke izinto nje ayezisho ke esingazi kubuqiniso baso kodwa ke akukhona ukuqala simbona ekhuluma ke ngabaholi abadumile balana ke eSouth Africa. Asazi ke guys ukuthi kahlehle iyosolva kanjani ke le yanto but ke I hope ukuthi walalela ama video o2 yeah guys kubi ngampela because ingane zona ziyalahleka but ukuthi ngampela bekwenziwa ama rituals ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani ubani futhi asazi but nje eSwazini noma ke laba ke be Free Swazi movement cha bathi nje unyazi lungaphinde lulubeke unyawo lwalo ke eSwazini. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.